Hey singers, if you've ever struggled with vocal strain, which I'm pretty sure is most of us, right? Then this video is for you. I'm gonna share how I fixed my strained voice in just 5 minutes using a simple but effective method. Now, we've all been there, right? Maybe you sang too loudly at a concert, talked over loud music at a bar, or just cheered a little too hard at a game, and then suddenly your voice is paying the price. It's tired, it's raspy, and it's just feeling plain rough. Now, it happens, but luckily, there is a quick fix to get your voice back in working order fast. The secret is steam inhalation therapy. Now, I know it kind of sounds basic, it kind of sounds unusual, but trust me, just 5 minutes of steam can work wonders for your vocal strain. The warm moisture directly hydrates the vocal cords, bringing down inflammation and soothing irritation. Now, it's easy enough to do. You can do it at home, and all you need is a bowl of hot water. Not too hot though. Lean over the bowl with a towel draped over your head and breathe in the steam for about 5 minutes. Be sure as well just to keep the bowl on a stable and heat-safe surface, and you should immediately after inhaling the steam for 5 minutes notice a difference in the comfort of your voice. It rehydrates those overworked cords so that you can get back to singing smoothly again as soon as possible without any raspiness or hoarseness. So give it a try next time you experience vocal strain for instant relief, and let me know in the comment section if you have any other go-to remedies for vocal strain. There's so many out there. But don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more vocal health tips. And yeah, just thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.